part of that is people who have been arrested behaving themselves. That's actually a really misunderstood part of what goes on. If you may have the best legal point under the sun, you may have a great legal defense, there may be some major flaw in the prosecution case, but if you've behaved yourself really badly, been abusive, or worse again, violent, when you've been in the custody of the guards, it doesn't matter who the judge is, there's a very, very high likelihood of conviction. They just cannot abide bad behavior. And when they see it, you can just see them putting down their pen, because when evidence is being given in court, they have to take a note of it. So they're writing what's being said. They can only base their decision on what the person in the witness box is saying. They can't base their decision on anything else, just on what they hear in court. And so when a witness gets into the witness box, whether it's a guard or a civilian, they take a note. And sometimes they'll say, slow down, you're going too fast, I can't write that fast. And they'll write it down. But once they hear evidence maybe of a guard saying the person called me every name under the sun, threatened to burn my house down, you can just see them stopping, putting the pen down, and then looking out the window at the birds, and it's over. It's gone then. You know, I've seen that a few times. Yeah, not often, but it does happen. You see them, the lips kind of purse, and you know then you're toast. And it has to be an exceptionally good point to win, but at that point it's over, because they won't. That's not just or right, or it offends their sense of morality that you could succeed on a technical point despite your behavior. I've yet to see that happening anywhere. In any court, the optics is the word that we use. The optics are terrible. And you get that. You know, if any member of the public was a judge, they'd understand. You know, this person behaves like a maniac inside in custody, screaming and roaring or threatening or having to be restrained or shouting obscenities. You're lucky to avoid jail in that situation.